Let me guess. You're not sleeping. That mattress you bought 5 years ago, or the one that came with your apartment, has turned against you. You wake up stiff, you toss and turn, and the idea of buying a whole new mattress feels impossible. But what if I told you there's a 2026 secret that luxury hotels and sleep clinics are using? A simple layer that can transform your rock-hard or sagging mattress into a cloud, for a fraction of the cost. After testing the latest high-tech toppers for 30 nights straight, I found one that doesn't just add cushion, it fundamentally changes how your body rests. And the science behind it will shock you. Number 1. Dual Layer 4-inch Memory Foam Mattress. 4x support, powered by patented material structure. Bite Any Queen mattress topper combines 40% premium memory foam with 60% synthetic fiber, which delivers a better balance of softness and support than traditional 100% synthetic toppers. Upgraded from 650 GSM average weight of filling in the market, our topper features 950 GSM to offer you 2x support of others. The slow rebound memory foam will also retain the shape and firmness regardless of the season, ensuring long-lasting comfort and durability. Pain-free sleep customizes comfort. Our queen-size mattress topper can perfectly fit your body without sinking for its ideal blend of softness and support. It will evenly distribute your body weight to relieve pressure points and reduce pain in the hips, back and neck, thus increasing your deep sleep by up to 30%. The dual layers can be used separately so you can customize height and firmness to suit your needs. Number 2. 5-inch Mega Support Memory Foam Queen Mattress. Featuring a sophisticated dual-layer combination of a 2.5-inch memory foam blend plush mattress topper and a 2.5 gel foam pad, this topper bundle is meticulously designed to provide unparalleled support for your mattress, especially if it has started to sag. Offering 25% more thickness than comparable products on the market, this innovative solution is undoubtedly a game-changer for anyone seeking enhanced comfort during sleep. The thoughtfully crafted separate structure allows you the flexibility to utilize one or both of the layers depending on your personal comfort preferences, enabling a customizable sleep experience that caters to your individual needs. Luxury comfort, patented design. The topper's filling consists of 40% high-quality memory foam and 60% breathable polyester, arranged in an exclusive 3-layer design that brings the sensation of a cloud-like embrace, effortlessly cradling your body without the sinking feeling associated with traditional memory foam. This unique construction cushions your pressure points effectively, alleviating stress and allowing for a restful night's sleep. The well-stitched baffling ensures that the fill is evenly distributed throughout the topper, eliminating lumps and clumps, so you can enjoy uninterrupted comfort all night long. Number 3. SAPHREAS Memory Foam Mattress Topper. Experience the ideal balance of softness and support with our OEKOTEX Standard 100 certified mattress. This exceptional 4-inch queen-size memory foam mattress topper is designed to enhance your sleeping experience with its advanced features. The topper features high-density memory foam that contours to your body's unique shape, providing personalized comfort. Complementing this is a luxurious 1-inch quilted plush pillow top cover, filled with hypoallergenic down alternative fiber, ensuring a soft and cozy surface that caters to those with sensitivities. This well-made bed accessory is perfect for revitalizing an old mattress, introducing a fresh and breathable feel that enhances your overall sleeping environment. The innovative layered support system integrated into this mattress pad consists of a dual-layer foam composite structure that is meticulously designed to offer scientifically balanced comfort and support. Number 4. Helix Twilight Mattress. The mattress features 3 select foam layers that are specifically designed to provide customized pressure relief and targeted ergonomic support, making it an ideal choice for side sleepers who often require extra cushioning for their shoulders and hips. This design also caters to those who tend to toss and turn throughout the night, offering a supportive surface that adapts to their movements. In terms of cooling capabilities, the mattress is equipped with a Glaciotex cooling cover that is cool to the touch. This technology is aimed at regulating temperature, ensuring that you remain comfortable throughout the night without overheating, which is especially beneficial for those who are prone to sleeping hot. Number 5. Helix ErgoAlign Mattress Topper. Provides lower back support with 3 different support zones. Firm support for midsection, ultra-dense foam beneath your midsection provides support and pressure relief by elevating your hips and midsection. Countering comfort beneath your shoulders, the head and foot portions of the top are conked to your body and provide cradling comfort beneath your shoulders. Cooling, made with our cool-to-the-touch Latex cooling cover. Designed to maintain an optimal sleep temperature. Enjoy a cool, comfortable night's rest while benefiting from superior support and pressure relief. Let me guess. You're not sleeping. That mattress you bought 5 years ago, or the one that came with your apartment, has turned against you. You wake up stiff, you toss and turn, and the idea of buying a whole new mattress feels impossible. But what if I told you there's a 2026 secret that luxury hotels and sleep clinics are using? A simple layer that can transform your rock-hard or sagging mattress into a cloud, for a fraction of the cost. After testing the latest high-tech toppers for 30 nights straight, I found one that doesn't just add cushion, it fundamentally changes how your body rests. And the science behind it will shock you.